Hello YouTube. We're about to just do a unboxing of these DS18s. So let's go ahead and check them out. Well, it's been something I've been trying to wait on to get. I mean, it took me a while to unbox these though, but you know, now it's like getting warm. It's like time for me to start working on them. Yeah, pull that one out. So can we get that out? Live unboxing. We ain't gonna edit. It's gonna be raw and uncut. Show y'all the struggles of unboxing. Yeah. I've been rocking with DS18 a lot though, but you know what I'm saying? So please contact us, okay? See that? They got their little things. They ain't send no stickers this time though. They usually send stickers. I guess they're trying to, like, you know, get their products, you know, sold or whatever, I guess. You know. But I can tell you them DS18 subwoofers are doing good. But yeah, let's check these out. I'm gonna install these too. So we're gonna do an install video, you know, coming soon with them. We just waiting for the weather to break out. Okay. And got a sticker, so I complained about not getting a sticker. There go another sticker. Right here, the cutout hole, which is nice. I might actually use this because, you know, I think when I cut the when I take the factory speaker out of the Malibu, it's gonna be a hole, just a regular hole, and the hole is gonna be like a little bit bigger than a 6.5. So this might be my solution right here. And I also got cardboard too. So hey, just make it do what it do. Okay. Taking it out. Yeah. Just gonna have to just move this up out of the way. I got the little grill right here too. I might use this too. I might need to use this, so we might use that. A lot of usable things, but check it out. You know what I'm saying? 150 RMS. See if y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. Like I said, 150 RMS. It's got the little driver right in the middle of it. It's got the DS18 logo up there. Now, is these gonna be better than, you know, better than my tweeters? I don't know. But man, just stay tuned for the channel. Probably can get the specifications on them. You know. Now these supposed to be like, you know, they're slim, they're real slim, so they should be able to fit right up in the door. You know, you got the weight. I'm trying to, you know, if you guys can just pause it and check that out. Trying to make sure I get all that on the camera. You know, like I said, they're 6.5s. I mean, I actually like them, man. Let's just take one more look at them. I do like them. You know what I'm saying? The bottom. They got the side terminals right there. Base blocker. You know. These are 8-ohm opinions, so. But I'm running them just off the regular radio for right now. So if I wire them down, I'll probably wire them down to like 4 ohms, you know. Which 4 ohms off my 2000 watt amp is not bad at all. So, all right, stay tuned, guys.